grated ginger, add some sugar in it, and pour in some coconut oil. Squeeze in a few drops of lemon and your scrub is all ready. Ginger rejuvenates your tired skin, sugar acts as an exfoliator, coconut oil nourishes while lemon acts as a disinfectant. Mix 4 tablespoons of olive oil with 3 tablespoons of sugar and scrub away. The oil nourishes your skin while the sugar acts as an exfoliator. While it is very tempting to smell coffee powder in your cup, mix some almond oil in it and whisk till you get this sort of a mixture. Gently scrub your hands with it. Coffee has anti-aging elements as well as it helps fight sunburns. The almond oil treats your dry skin. Take a bigger bowl with lukewarm water and add some milk to it. Pour in a few drops of rose water. For a salon-like feel, you can add some rose petals or for that matter any flower petals. Soak your hands for 10 to 15 minutes for a relaxed and hydrating effect. Mix some shea butter with almond oil and use it as a quick and nourishing moisturizer at home. The shea butter is rich in fatty acids and will help make your hands softer, while the almond oil helps fight dryness. This brings us to the end of this episode. We'll be back with more such content. Until then, share, like and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.